Yes.
Man, y'all feel some type of way tonight, huh? So I talked to my friends and I said, we gotta chase the bad guys out here. There's one thing I gotta say, if you give me 1 minute, I promise I'll wrap it up and you can boo CM Punk, okay? 2016, November 2016, there was a 2 out of 3 falls match. There was a 2 out of 3 falls match that happened in this building. And that one match changed our careers, but more importantly, it changed our lives. And even though we went through some rocky times for about 3 years after that, you guys never left us. You guys always believed in me and Cash. And so now so all I want to say is from that night on, I took care of my wife, I took care of my daughter, and I was able to help take care of my best friend. And that's all because of y'all. Thank you. That's all I wanted to say. Sorry. One last thing. Brett's better than Sean.
Right here during this match, the opening of this match, and we said, we could go home right now. It's not going to get any better than this. Booing, cheering, making all the noise you guys made tonight. I don't care. As long as you're having fun, we're having fun. That makes our fun. So if you want to cheer CM Punk, if you want to boo CM Punk, it's all good because this is the most fun we're going to have, so thank you, Toronto.
Well, it's good to know that you at least like me. No offense. But I think it's no secret, my journey to actually standing in this ring right now in a position that I was in for Collision was a very long one. Ups and downs, a lot of downs for me, but I want y'all to know, especially seeing people like this with my shirt and sign, that I thank you. Because baby, you know Ricky, when I go home, it's not a very pretty thing, but at least I come out here and I know you got my back. So for that, thank you. I would like to make this short.